Hey, what's up guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can customize a Shopify theme. If under sales channel, right side to the online store, if I click on this I button, you can see that this is current preview of our Shopify store. So if I want to customize this page, for example, if I want to add new section or add or change some content from current sections, so in this video we are going to learn that how we can do this. Let me go back to our Shopify dashboard. First of all, you can see an online store option here. Just click on that. You will see this screen. Here you will see another button for customize. Just click on that. So you will see this Shopify editor. You can also zoom out your screen, so you can also see this right sidebar. If you will zoom in, then what will happen when you will click on a specific section, then this left sidebar will be hidden and you will see that right sidebar in the left sidebar position. So first of all, here on the top middle section you can see an option here for home page. When I will click here, you can see the available pages that I can edit. For example, we have a checkout page on our Shopify store. If you want to edit that, you can click here, and similarly you can do the other stuff. But in our case, we want to customize our home page, then you can select this home page, which was selected by default. On the top right section you can also see mobile option here and desktop option here. So if you want to check that how your store will look like on mobile devices, you can also click on this. So you can see that now it is displaying me the preview of my Shopify store on mobile devices. Then on the left side you can see that this is our main option. First of all, we have header. So in the header you can see that we have an option for announcement bars. Basically, if you will see here, welcome to our store, this is an announcement bar. If I will click here and you can see another text, welcome to our store, I will click here. Now it is displaying me the option to edit this. For example, if I want to turn this welcome to our online store, and make sure press the save button on the top right side after making changes. So I will click on this button. Again, I will click on this desktop icon so I can see my store on desktop devices. You can also click here on this back button to again see this menu here. So here you can see that we have multiple sections in our home page. All those options are available in this position. For example, you can click on a specific section from the preview. If I will click here, so you can see that the feature collection is selected automatically, and if I want to edit this text, I can also do that. For example, I can change its name from featured collection to prime collection. So one thing you have to make sure is to read these options with carefully, because each and everything that is possible for you to change, you will find that things here. For example, here you can see that it is also displaying me the option for description. If I type here something like demo description, so you can see that this text is appearing at this position. Now it depends upon you that how you want to change the look of your store. So make sure to read these options very carefully. If you will ignore this part, then you will miss many things that will be provided by your theme developer to you, but you will unable to use them. So again, I will click on this back button. Now suppose if I want to add a new section at this position, what I will do, here I can see another option like add section. I will click here. So this is the library that you will have, and again this thing depends on the theme that you will use. So currently I have 17 sections available. So for example, if I want to display this item to my Shopify store, I will simply click here, and we can also edit these sections. For example, I can type here like, we can also display the frequently asked questions here. So suppose if I type here how I can order a single product, and we can also add raw content here. I will click on generate text, and here we can write a prompt like, I have typed a question here that how I can order a single product. This is Shopify feature and it will automatically generate a description for me. So you can see that I can select this one, and that's it. Let me go back. I'm not going to add the other content here. And now for example, if I want to move this to the upper side, because we were interested to add this section at this position, so what I can do, I will simply click on these dots, and now you can see that I can drag this. So I will drag this below this position here, and we can also again drag this, and I will drag and drop this at this position. Now you can see that this section is exactly under the place where we were interested this section to put in. Similarly, when you will click on the save button, changes will be saved. Let me open my store and refresh. Scroll down, and friends, here you can see that we have added this section successfully. So by using this technique, you can customize your multiple pages that will be available to you in your Shopify store. If you want to delete a section, you can also see here delete icon, and if you want to hide a specific section temporarily, you can also click on this I button. So friends, this was the method that how you can customize your Shopify store theme. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.